What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. What I've been talking about recently, I've been talking about a lot of utility coins, but we also know that there's a lot of popularity, hype, growth, money that could be made in meme coins. And we have a couple of meme coins that really lead, right? Dog coins are leading the world. We have frog coins that are coming up, but we also have a huge buildup, and we have a huge market in cat coins. And there's a few cat coins that lead right now, and I feel like we're still trying to figure out exactly what's going to be that leading cat coin. And I think we may have one that has a lot of interest, has a lot of popularity, has the memeability to it, and that coin is Shiro. This is a project that came across my desk recently, and we're going to go ahead and look at where it is, where it has come from, what really tells me that this has the potential to grow, right, and get to a way higher level. So before we get into this, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out all of the links for Shiro down below. I'll provide every link that I can so you guys can do your own research. It feels much better when you guys jump into a project that you truly believe in because of your research that you put into it, right? Your effort that you put into it. So, um, let's just talk about cat coins for a second, right? Again, there are a few cat coins out there that we've seen. There are a couple of smaller cat coins that come up, but we're talking about coins that are in the tens or even hundreds of millions of dollars, getting to a potential chance to get to billions of dollars. And Shiro was one of those coins that actually reached $1 billion of a market cap on day one. It's the fourth largest cat coin by market cap, and it's closing the gap. You see that you have PopCat, you have Mog, you have Mew, you have different coins that are out there that are establishing themselves as cat coins, kind of trying to lead that sector. And again, Shiro is one of those. Now, Shiro on Twitter currently has 63,000 followers. They have their episodes that are online. If you guys want to go and check out their episodes, I'll provide a link to their website where you can see episode 1 through 5. They are about 1 minute long. So you'll be able to see all of those there. Actually, yeah, so 1 through 5 you'll be able to see there. And then you can go to their website and get a lot of information when it comes to their tokenomics, when it comes to the episodes, obviously, how to buy it. You can come down here and get the FAQ, as well. So if we go into the tokenomics of this project, you're going to see that you have zero out of zero tax. You had a fair launch, 100% of the tokens in the LP. You have 1 quadrillion Shiro that is out there. So let's look at what we came here to really look at is what's the information behind it that tells me this is going to be pretty big. So first, let's look at CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap shows that this is currently at a 603252 price, and you're also seeing the market cap at a $325 million market cap with $6 million worth of volume. Again, all of the supply is out there. And when you look at the places to buy, instead of you going on the website there, if you wanted to go on CoinMarketCap or any other viewing website, you can see that the places to buy, you can buy on MEXC, you can buy on a tier 1 exchange, you can buy on Gate.io, another tier 1 exchange, S or XT.com as well, LBank. So you have different exchanges that you can purchase on, and you can buy directly on Uniswap as well. So it's fairly simple to be able to buy. But if you are in the US, then you're probably going to want to use either, I believe Bitmart still is available, and you can also use Uniswap. That's where $1 million of volume is coming from in the last 24 hours. Anyways, if we go over to DEX tools, it gives you a little bit more of a picture of exactly what happened in the initial point, right? Because CoinMarketCap only shows to where it got listed on CoinMarketCap. But it did hit a much higher level up here, getting to the 5-0 level or 6-0 level, 6-5. So definitely pushing up a lot further. And right now you see it somewhere around here. Again, $325 million market cap with $2.5 million worth of liquidity. Another key thing that you want to look at is the amount of holders that it does have. 17,000, almost 18,000 holders within this project. So that's a good thing to see that, you have consistent holders, people that believe in it, people that want to see it succeed. And you could see it hit this low, right? The low here of, 6 zeros and a 2, and then break out to get to this level, 6 zeros, 4, 5, before coming down a little bit. But what this does show is that not only does it have holders within it, it has people that believe in it for the long term, that are looking for not only the short term outcome of it, but are also looking for the long term outcome of it, are looking for this to break out from that lower level and see it break all time highs and see new all time highs here. So what you need to understand with this project is not necessarily that everyone in the world has been a part of it, but what we're seeing is the popularity is growing. And that's what I want to see within a project. The popularity is continuing to grow. To see it hit a low and then see it recover from that low, to see it create lower highs and lower lows, obviously is a more bearish momentum. But when you see it bounce out of that and then it finally breaks the lower high, lower low situation where it's creating a brand new high, and right now it created a double top, so you may be in a situation where you can get it at a lower price compared to where it is right now, and then see it flourish in the end, because cat coins and meme coins and a lot of things are going to make huge moves. So I definitely suggest that you give it a look. I definitely suggest that you look at the cat coin market and see where everything stands. But yeah, I mean, things are looking good for popularity here. If you want to check out their link tree, I should provide their link tree down below for their website, the Telegram. You can ask questions over there. You can go on their X. Again, they have 63,000 followers. They have their messages open, so you can go ahead and talk to them as well. But I suggest you guys do your research not only into the position, but also into the sector to understand where it lands in that sector. So I want to know what you guys think about Shiro. I want to know what you guys think about the cat coin sector, and whether you think that it's going to take off like a lot of people think, right? We see dog coins that have made a huge move, but what is the huge meme coin narrative for this coming up altcoin season, right? 2025, what's going to be the meme coin narrative? Are we going to see frog coins that make a bigger move? Are we going to see cat coins that come up from, millions of dollars worth of market cap to multi-billions of dollars worth of a market cap? Because if that's the case, you're going to see Shiro be worth so much more than you think. So anyways, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of the videos. Check out the links down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.